Hey loves, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Genevieve. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I got this cute knotless braids using green braids. This is actually my first time of trying out green braids on me and I'm so loving it. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your support. God bless you all. So guys, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, I'm starting off on a freshly washed hair. I just washed my hair and dried it, so I'm just going on to start making my hair. So here I'm sectioning out the parts that I want. All right, I'm gonna make it line by line. I'll section out one line and use my hair wax. Got to be hair wax to clean the parts properly. If you don't know how to part your hair, when you watch my videos you will learn how to do that, because I always make sure I show you how I part my hair. And sometimes some people keep asking me, how do you see the back of your hair? Like, how do you make your hair to come out so neat as if it wasn't you that did it? So this is how I do it. Like right here I'm using about 3 mirrors. I have one behind me, I have one beside me, and then I have a small one which I'll be using in front of me. So when I'm using it like that, I'll be able to get all the side of my hair. Like I'll get the back and the side, and also I'll get the front parts very clean, okay, the way I want it to be. So here I'm showing you the size of the hair I'm using. I have the first piece is a small one, the second piece, and then the last one. Okay, so after I was done sectioning out my hair the size that I wanted, I'll just go on to apply the Gatsby hair wax on it, comb it out with my tail comb, and then I'll go on to braid my hair. Okay, I have lots of videos on how to make knotless braid. It's very simple, it's not hard. So once you just part your hair, section it out, apply your hair wax, your gel, your edge control, whatever it is that you want to use to slick down your hair, then you just go on to divide your hair into 3 pieces and then you braid them. Okay, so when you braid it like 2 to 3 times, you start adding your hair. Okay, you start with a little piece of hair, you add, and then the second one, and then you add the last one. Okay, so when you're done, that's gonna give you that knotless look that you want. All right, it's not gonna have a bump underneath, there's nothing like a knot underneath. So this is the actual size that I want for my knotless braids. I don't want it to be too thick. Okay, so I just make sure it's just not too slim, but somewhere in between being slim and then being big. All right, so because I want my hair to be scanty, all right, I don't want it to be too full. And then whenever you're braiding your hair, okay, you always watch the size of your hair and then the parts that you make. All right, so when you want your parts to be big, that means you also make it big. And then when you want your hair to be small, you also have to know the quantity of hair to take to make it to be small. All right, so that's it. So guys, this is what I'll be doing till the end of this video. Like usual, I'm not gonna walk you through it because it is self-explanatory, and then also I have videos where I've done this over and over. So guys, if you watch what I'm doing, you will get it. It's not hard, it's very simple, but it's just that I'm trying out different colors on my hair right now. Like I've been one person that has been skeptical about using bright colors, but right now I'm trying to go overboard. Like I'm trying to try those colors, and seriously, I love the way I look on those green braids. Like it really looks so beautiful on me. And then I got a lot of compliments on the hair, so maybe the next I'm gonna try baby purple, or I'm gonna try maybe like some sort of sharp colors. I'm just gonna try them. I know they're gonna look good on me, but I just want to see how they look on me. All right, so guys, what do you think? Should I go on to try them or not? Maybe see your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number,
When I got to the front of my braids, I noticed that my hair was turning white. The root of my hair was turning white because of the hair wash I was using. Or what I did was I have a black gel, so I had to use the black gel on it. Also, I had to apply lots of oil. I oiled my scalp all the roots of my hair, and also I used oil shine on it when I was done. So that helps to remove all the white cast on underneath my hair, and then it make it to look good when I was done with the whole hair. So at this point, I was done with the hair. When I was braiding the one in the front, it's as if my hair was pulling and it was sort of painful. So I have to use that hair clip to hold it so I can go on to finish up the braids, because right now I'm going on to finish up all the ones that I left behind, the ones that my friend has not been able to finish up. So I'll just go on to finish up the hair. I like the fact that my braid is not full, like it's scanty, and I really love it because I was able to move it around. Even immediately I was done with the hair, I was able to start turning it, start packing it the way I want. It was not painful at all. If you're looking at the hair, you think it's painful, it's not. Like, I can flip it over, I can pack it upwards, I can turn it, like I can just do it the way that I want. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Afterwards, I went ahead to dip it in hot water. After I finished trimming it, apply oil sheen, apply mousse on it, and then apply oil sheen on it, and that was it, guys. That now I'm feeling my hair, guys. It's so beautiful, it's so lightweight, and I'm really loving it. Okay, guys, so if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping